Welcome back to Night Vision. 22-year-old Canadian Terry Fox died in June 1981 of bone cancer. For 18 months before his death, he ran 5,300 miles to collect funds for cancer research. But that marathon of hope was not lost with him. Thanks to his parents, a Terry Fox run is held around the world every year to collect money for that same cause. For the first time in Chennai, Akash Dubey organized this event.
Over 1,000 runners from all walks of life supporting the Terry Fox Run. Popular in 53 countries, the Terry Fox Run started in 1981, and since then all the money collected through this goes into cancer research. And here in Chennai, it was 17-year-old Akash Dubey who was the idea behind the run. Akash has been running for the cause in Sharjah for the past 6 years, and recently he has been diagnosed of acute lymphoblastic leukemia. This year he is running in our city.
More importantly, it's about getting people here and raising awareness, because if you detect cancer early, the chances of being cured are much higher. So just to have such a huge crowd is amazing. And I've been participating every year for the past 6 years. They hold it in February actually in Sharjah. So this time when they had the run, I was undergoing my first intensive round. So I thought I wouldn't get to run this year, but it's great that everyone helped so much and helped make this possible.
As of now, only the Tata Memorial Hospital in Mumbai is recognized by the Terry Fox Foundation. The aim is to provide funds for cancer research. Many people turned up to take part and ran the course.
I came to know about this from my schoolmates, and so I really wanted to join from the first day, very first day. And I feel, yeah, we must help people who are suffering from them. They are unfortunate, and so that's why I've joined this.
People who are having suffering from some diseases, they will get motivated. Surely they will feel that there are somebody to support them, really, and more people will come again and again if this sort of events are conducted in future. This is main for motivation.
With such an overwhelming response, the Terry Fox Run may soon become an annual run in Chennai, and the Cancer Institute in Chennai may become associated with the Terry Fox Foundation as well. Inspired by Akash Dubey, most of the runners are aiming to make a difference quite differently. Their contributions will go towards research in cancer and its cure. In Chennai, with camera person Mohan, Minal Shah for NDTV Hindu.
We welcome into our studio tonight Akash Dubey and Tanveer. Tanveer is a sports secretary of the IIT Madras, and both of them have jointly organized this event, the Terry Fox Run. Thank you to both of you for being here. Now, Akash, how important was it for you to have this run right here in Chennai?
Well, when I was first diagnosed with ALL, the doctor told me that my counts would fall quite...
I'm sorry to interrupt you.
ALL
as in?
ALL is acute lymphoblastic leukemia. When I was diagnosed in the end of January, the doctor told me that my counts would fall quite a lot. And she said that you should get a list of donors. And we sent out some feelers, and the response we got from complete strangers. People told me, anytime you want, any day, any time of the day, you just give us a call and we'll come and we'll give you blood, we'll give you platelets whenever you need it. And that touched me so much, I just wanted to give something back. Right. And to run in Chennai was amazing.
Are you trying to say that most of the people who actually responded were from Chennai?
Yes, the response from Chennai was amazing.
Well, that's wonderful news. Tell me how the IIT got involved in this, Tanveer.
The IIT got involved when Akash's mother, Mrs. Sujata Dubey, who happens to be an alumnus of the Institute of IIT Madras, approached Professor Anant, the director, to as she wanted help to organize the run. So we got to know about this in June, when we got a mail from the then Dean students and now the Deputy Director about the feasibility of the run. And we said, obviously, we can have it in our own institute. And Akash's own personal fight against cancer and the courage that he has shown, to take up this initiative would be an inspiration to anyone to lend a helping hand. So that was the main reason where IIT supported them.
All right, and Akash, you have been a part of the Terry Fox Run back there in Sharjah where you lived for the last 6 years is what I was told. Now, how different was it? At that time you were supporting a cause and now you are the cause.
Well, when I first started the run, it was just as a fun thing that I did with my friends. It was more, we went out and it was a fun morning. But in 2007, actually, it really hit home to us when we lost our aunt to breast cancer. And after that, we really got more into it and collecting funds. And this year, it was really.
What's the
close.
kind of money that actually comes in from a run like this? Can you give us a rough idea? I mean, research on cancer is extremely expensive. So, Tanvi, tell us.
We have collected around rupees 15 lakhs, including pledges. And today, the 1,500 runners, 1,304 runners were on the spot running there. Apart from that, we have runners in other countries who were running at the same time, and for the same purpose, for the same cause. So we had, apart from that, the contributions were from the Rotary Club, from the IIT Madras students, faculty, administration. So there were significant contributions leading to a total of 15 lakhs rupees.
All right, and this whole thing, the funds that is collected goes towards cancer research. It goes towards a particular foundation. Who are the beneficiaries? How do you really pick out the beneficiaries?
Well, this year the only approved institute for to give the funds to is Tata Memorial, but we hope in the years to come that we can give it to a Chennai institute because it is a Chennai run. But the thing is, the Terry Fox institution, the Terry Fox Foundation insists that you have to give a form, you have to fill out a form on the projects that you wish to do with the funding, and that has to be approved by the Terry Fox Foundation. So we've given these forms to like the Cancer Institute, and it'll take some time. We hope that next year or the years later.
Because the funds collected go to a specific project, so that takes the time.
Right. Of course, the Cancer Institute is very well known, not just in this country, but everywhere, really. So I do hope that that actually happens. Now, the Terry Fox Foundation, who is it actually run by?
Well, the lady who contacted us was a Miss Judith Fox Alder, who is, I think, the sister of. I'm not. She's related to him. So they have it like that.
Right. So Terry Fox, his parents started this foundation.
Yeah, his parents started it in his honor, and after that, they hold runs all over for that.
So how did it begin in Dubai? Can you explain that to us?
Oh, the Terry Fox.
Yes.
Actually, all the runs of the Terry Fox, or the Terry Fox runs, are started by people's personal initiative, like these, even the ones in Delhi and Mumbai. So yes, it started something like ours. But,
so, looking at the response that you had in Sharjah, well, you were a young boy at that time, and now you have seen the response here in Chennai. I mean, is the response to such things, such causes, growing across the globe?
Well, the response that I got today for the first time in since it's the first run, the response we got was so phenomenal. It was beyond anything I had expected for a first-time run. I think that cancer research and cancer awareness really is growing. I mean, people are starting to understand this thing.
Other than raising funds, is there also any other perspective to the whole run? Do you really seek to sensitize people on prevention aspects? What is it?